talking about the future. Do you ever find yourself confused when it comes to using will or shall? If you're not sure about this, if you want some clarity, stick around because that is what I'm going to get into right after the intro.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Finn here once again to help you out with some English. And today I want to clarify using these two modal verbs to talk about the future. Now, what is the difference between will and shall? Well, it's kind of like this. Will is something that we use when we're going to make a decision right now, a decision that has just been made. We also use will to talk about some predictions or promises or offers. All right? I've covered this clearly in my first video talking about the future, the differences between will and going to. But I'll give you a quick example. I will do this later. Okay? I will go to the gas station later this afternoon. See, I just made that decision. Also for predictions, right? Let's say Kate is going to do a test tomorrow. And her friend says, or the friend asks, do you think she'll pass? And the other friend will say, yeah, she'll pass. You see, because we're talking about a prediction and a belief. Also, we're going to use will when we use this verb, I think. I think I will do this, or I think they will do that. And also offers, right? I'll get the bags for you. I'll carry these books for you, right? And that's where we get the confusion, right? Because shall is a modal verb that is used for offers, okay? So, shall I open the window compared to will you open the window? You see, so when someone says, shall I open the window, their suggestion, they're making that offer. And will is asking someone else to do it. Will you open the window? You see? And another thing that is important to understand with shall is used for the first person only. First person singular, shall I open the window? Shall I go? Or the first person plural. Shall we order? Shall we leave? Shall we see a movie tonight? You see, you're never going to use shall with he, she, it, you. None of those. Only first person. And shall is used with suggestions and offers. All right? Also, it is possible to use shall in a sentence because most often it's going to be used in questions. But you can use it in sentences just like will. I shall go tomorrow. Like, I will go tomorrow. Even in the negative, it has a contraction. I shan't be there tomorrow. Shan't. I shall not, or I shan't. Just like I won't be there tomorrow. But that is not very common. And actually, it's used more in formal settings and often much more in British English than American. Okay? So, that is basically it. Shall is used for offers and suggestions. And remember, it's in the first person. Okay? If you want more examples of will and will versus going to, I suggest you check out that video that I made. I'll put the link in the description. All right? Guys, here I am once again doing my very best to make you better. You've got to remember, English, like anything else, needs practice. Let me tell you something. The more practice you get, the better you'll be. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll see you in the next video. Bam!